Since 1988, Vericut has been the industry leader in CNC simulation, verification, optimization, and analysis manufacturing software. Why choose Vericut? Whether you're a small job shop, OEM, or Tier 1 supplier, Vericut enables you to produce more efficient programs faster and get your products to market more quickly and competitively. Vericut eliminates prove-outs and saves machine tool, operator, and part programming time, all of which decrease your time to market. Vericut machine simulation detects collisions and near misses between all machine tool components, dramatically reducing the chances for error when proving out new programs on the machine. As machining complexity increases, so does the chance for error. Vericut simulates the CNC machining process for large, small, simple, or complex parts, and all types of CNC machining. Vericut Force analyzes and optimizes cutting conditions throughout NC program operations to create the most effective NC program for the given material, cutting tool, and machining conditions. The results are significant time savings, improved cutting tool and machine life, and improved part quality. Detect collisions between hybrid machine and additive part and identify errors, voids, and misplaced material with Vericut's superior simulation capabilities for additive manufacturing. CGTech offers world-class support for our customers. Our support center's responsiveness, knowledge, and experience in assisting companies across the world is unmatched. Vericut machine configurations, or VMCs, can be built to exactly match your machine tool and to ensure that your virtual machine and real machine behave identically. CGTech has an extensive collection of VMCs from the leading machine tool builders. Vericut offers interfaces to all leading CAM and tooling systems. All stock, fixture, and design geometry can be automatically transferred to Vericut in the correct orientation, along with your NC program, tooling, machine and control data, and other simulation parameters. Don't wait for an expensive crash, scrapped part, or missed deadline to invest in Vericut. Vericut, right the first time, every time.